Hello guys, welcome to Computico tutorials. This is our third video under the album of learning HTML and CSS. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. If you want to start over the course again, click on the video appearing on the screen. So today we are about to talk about a very important and the very basic thing that one needs to do in HTML, that is entering data. So let's start. So guys, most of you are just now aware about the syntax of HTML which I taught to you in the last video. So now let's start the entering of our data. You know, HTML is a very simple language and a very easy to understand language. If you want to just enter some data, you can just go like this, A, B, C, D, like this. But you know, it doesn't appear as logical, I guess, because when we are making a website, you know, we must divide our data. That whether it is a heading, whether it is a paragraph, just simply adding down the data and just giving and just putting all the hard work over CSS, then, you know, I don't like these things. So it appears a little much logical to just divide our data. So the first tag that we are discussing is the heading tag, and it goes like this, H1 and the closing of H1. Like this, there are 5 more tags which are H2, and the closing of H2, the H3 tag and its closing, the H4 tag and its closing, and the H5 tag, like this, and its closing, and finally the H6 tag. The H tags, or basically the H1, H2, H3, H4, which we just call them the heading tabs, stand for giving them the heading for what we are entering. You know, H1, if for example I'll just write down applications in all of these. Let's do it. I'll just do it apps to reduce the time. You know, I guess you might be getting bored because I'm only entering data. APS and APS. So what does this H tag does? You know, H1 is the largest size of heading that one can enter in HTML without using CSS. As you go down to H2, H3, H4, H5, the size of the text just decreases rapidly according to which type of heading you are giving. If you are giving the main heading of the page, you can use H1, and if you are giving subheadings, you can use H2 or H3. It's your own choice, you know. So now let's just see that what will happen after we implement these tags. Let's just save this file, and this is our index.html file. Just let's open it. So now you all can just see the difference in the size of all the headings. This is our H1, this is our H2, H1, this is the H2, this is H3, H4, H5, and the smallest, which is H6, which, you know, it is very rare chances of using this font. So this is the heading tag. Now the second tag that we are about to discuss is the paragraph tag. So let's just erase these things down here and just write down the P tag. The P tag stands for the paragraph, as I just said. Just close this P tag, and you can enter any data that you want to enter in a certain paragraph in our document. For example, I am entering applications like you can say Facebook, Instagram. You know, you can just go and like my Instagram and Facebook page. I'm new, you all know that. Twitter, and the most famous Clash Royale I played, you know. I would be adding those videos also afterwards. So, you know, now we have entered the P tag, and inside the P tag we have entered the data: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Clash Royale. So now let's just save this data and just check our file again. And now you can just see we erased the heading tags, so they are just removed, and you can just see the difference between the size of the heading applications tag and the paragraph Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Clash Royale. So this can just basically tell you what is this all about. Sorry for the Twitter spelling mistake, you know. So the next tag that we are about to discuss is the mark tag. You know, mark tag is the basic tag by which someone can move their data. I was not able to understand that where to add the mark tag in this course, so I decided to add it now. And first of all, let's just change this spelling. Sorry for my spelling mistake, my English is bad, I know, but okay. So the next tag is the, as I said, mark tag, and let's move I am new, please subscribe. And yes, please subscribe to my channel. This will help me a lot. I just want to have some more friends, so please subscribe. And this is the closing of the mark tag. Now let's just see what it will do in our document. So just refresh it, and now you can just see I am new, please subscribe. So this is moving. So this is the mark tag. So this was all in this video. Please like this video, it would help a lot. I would appreciate your like. Please share this video to the most, so that people know that I am new and I am just teaching about HTML and CSS and some more languages like Java that I would be teaching in the near future. Please subscribe to my channel, it would help to a lot extent. And thank you. Wait for the third video. Now we are going to start lists. Yes, thank you.